Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to censor text on Discord. First of all, launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Discord application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. At left, you'll be able to find various servers over here. Tap on the server in which you want to send the censored text. You can see over here I've already selected the server. Now go to the specific text channel. Now once you do that, you'll be able to send the text. What you have to do is tap on the message bar that you can see at the bottom. If you want to censor the text, that means you do not want people to see the text until they tap on it. So what you have to do is simply enclose your text between the two vertical bars. For that, simply type in two vertical bars at the start. Now type in your text. Now end it with the two vertical bars. Now tap on the send icon in order to send it. Now once you do that, you can see over here your text will be censored. If you tap on it only, this text will be revealed. So like this, you'll be able to censor the text. So that is how you censor text on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.